Hi everyone, Mr. Talbot here for you. Wanted to give you a quick tutorial video going over our River Valley Civilization project. It's a 5-part deal, so this is take you a few hours to do, and that's okay. So you might consider spacing out over several days, whatever plan works best for you. Remember, you should have made a plan when we did the email assignment, so that might be something to refer back to. Again, trying to get this done, at the right time. So what we want to check out here is you got your first part. And these are just, there's no other resource you need, just yourself and the think. Okay, so you're just going to go ahead and answer, these questions here, and then thinking about different symbols that you're going to represent. Okay, so when you get down to part two, this is kind of you're going to kind of visualize those thoughts that you answered on part one. So that's why I wanted to kind of think about symbols that can represent. You make this drawing. You don't have to be a great artist. You can hand draw it if you want. You can do it on your laptop. If you just want to copy and paste some different images into something, um, on like a Google Drawing, that's fine too. Okay, I know sometimes I'm a horrible artist, so not grading you on your artistic ability. Just kind of want you to use it visualizing kind of some of those thoughts that you have. An important thing here though, once you put that in here again, if you are going to hand draw, just go ahead and take a picture of it with your phone or your laptop, or whatever. Make sure you can upload it and get it into our Google Doc here. If you're struggling to do that, feel free to reach out and I can kind of walk you through how to do that process. Really important though, to ensure that you're getting your points is to caption. Explain why you picked the symbols you do, why you think they represent these different parts. So you see parts one and part two. Don't need to do any history stuff. I just want to get your mind right. Think about how images can represent different stuff. Also, this is going to be something that we're going to share on a discussion board. So make sure it's whatever you have you're willing to share on the discussion board with your classmates. So now we get to part three through five. It's going to be where we're looking at some research. So I've given you 5 different river valley civilizations. These are those Bronze Age civilizations. You're going to pick 3 of them, just 3. Okay. Now, with each of them, you're going to see 2 links. You can use both links if you want to, but you're really only going to need to use one. Okay. So if you're someone that prefers kind of those Khan Academy videos, there's the video. And then up here are usually Khan Academy articles. So again, pick whichever one you want. You are going to then fill out, again, just for 3 of them. So I should see 2 blank boxes per row, but don't like bounce around, obviously, just because that would be more work. Don't do that. You're going to go ahead and fill out these, okay? Then really easy to miss this, so please don't, is this check for understanding. It's one point of the assignment, so make sure you're answering, okay? When you get down to part 4, okay, you're going to make a currency, a coin for one of those civilizations. So you have researched 3 of them, not 5, 3, and now you're down to just one that you're going to make a coin for. But it's a 2-sided coin, so that way you have a little bit more room for symbols. Okay, just like before, you're going to need to explain why you picked the symbols you did. So again, the coin should represent those answers you had before. You shouldn't be doing any extra research once you get to part 4. Okay, use your part 3. Okay, then once you get to this, you are going to make a total of 4 different posts. Okay. First post, you're going to share your philosophy image. And again, the explanation, again, you shouldn't be writing stuff again. This should be a lot of copying and pasting once you get to part 5. Okay. When you get to the second one, you're going to share the image. And if you need help, there's an instructional video here how to share an image in a Schoology discussion board. Okay. You're going to share your coin and you're going to explain the symbols you picked. Okay. Then you're going to respond to 2 different classmates. Now, it is important that you don't just say, good job, I like this. Okay. Be specific. Why did you think it was good? Which part did you find good or not? All right. You're going to respond to 2 different classmates. Okay. Not 2 posts to 1 classmate, 2 different classmates. And I would really encourage you, if you see someone's got 2, 3, 4 comments on it already, go find somebody else to comment on. All right. That way you're going to be able to get some. So if you got any questions, let me know. But again, an important thing to do is before you start working on the civilization code, I'd really encourage you to look over the scoring guide to make sure you're getting everything that you need. So make sure you've got the organizer page portion of this. Make sure you've got the different parts of the coin, and then make sure you've got your discussion board. So that's how you're going to go about getting your points. All right, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Hopefully this assignment goes well for you, and they're going to be awesome to see what